Hi everyone. So I am here to review RevAir. Look, this product is the real deal. Like, I am what you would call a serious skeptic. Like, even when I read reviews, to get a product, I will find a way to talk myself out of it. But you see this product. Oh my goodness, this product is a game changer. You you need to just go and get it. That's what I can say. Like, it left me speechless. All I was saying or shouting was, wow, wow. I mean, look at my hair. I know I didn't do a video, but it got my hair straight. It got it easier to handle, and quick. This is the quickest or the fastest my hair has dried. Are you talking about the things in the box? The bag? I mean, the basket, the filters, the hair, the heat protector. Like, whoever got the idea to make this product deserves a serious raise. Look, I don't know what else to say. It's the real deal. Just go and get it. I don't know what else to say, but it's the real deal. Like, 1 second. Okay, so one of the instructions said not to dry the hair with oil. I already, did the whole thing and put oil on my hair before I started to make the video, but I have done the drying, and this is the easiest my hair has ever been manipulated. The easiest. I love, love, love my Rev. I love it. I mean, just go get yours. That's what I can say. This, go get yours. Ciao.